Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install apps on the iPhone 14 series running iOS 16. So the first thing is to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the App Store app. If you cannot find the App Store on the home screen, you can swipe across to the right, and in here in the app library you can try to find the App Store, or you can type in App Store, and this will allow you to find App Store app and then open it. Before you can start downloading any apps from the App Store, you need to sign to your Apple account. So use your Apple ID and sign in. Now tap on the profile icon here to sign in, or you can sign in from settings. In settings, sign to your iCloud account. Once you have signed in to the App Store, now you can browse the apps by the games category, or by the apps category, or by arcade. You can even try to search, so you can use the search button to search for an app that you like to use. So for example, if you want to install one of the apps from the apps category, in here say Audible, you can tap on the get button and then tap on installed, and this will allow you to install the app on your device. For example, Stand, I can tap on that to download the app, and I can download the Amazon app as well. So go down the list here and find an app that you like to install, such as Instagram, Snapchat, Signal, and so on. These are the social apps. You can tap on CO to view all the social apps that you can download onto your iPhone 14. And after that, once it is installed, give it a few minutes. Now you can see once you tap on the install button, it says loading. That means the app is currently downloading the data. Once it is fully downloaded, it will attempt to install on your iPhone. If you tap on that, it will pause the download, and then if you tap on it again, it will resume the download. Now just leave it as it is, and it will try to install by itself. And once it has finished, it is also available in the app library. Now you can see here a couple of apps already has finished, such as Snapchat, Instagram, or Signal app. And once it's finished installing, you can tap on it to begin signing into the app and using it. And this is how you can install apps on your iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.